All right, we are starting 6.5 today, and this is our markdowns and markups section. And so first we are going to look at the markdowns, and then in your packet you'll flip the page and we'll be at our markups section. So these notes are over, it's front and back in your packet. It looks like this. However, I am going to zoom in a little bit so it's easier to see. So our learning goal, I can solve percent problems involving markdowns. And so a markdown is a discount. So this is the decrease or a decrease in the original price. When you think markdown, like I said, is the decrease in the original price. So I want you to think sale. If something is on sale, it's cheaper than what it originally was. So we're going to look at an example. And so it says that Andrew, a farmer, needs to buy food for his cows. There are two businesses that sell the same product. That's supposed to say sell. Andrew needs to determine which business offers the best deal. So these are the two businesses, and these are what they are selling. So we have the All Farmers Needs brand, and this is $120 on sale for 20% off. Our second option is the We Got Hay for You, and this is $140 on sale for 35% off. So if you look at these sales, this one is originally cheaper, but you only get 20% off. Well, this one's a little bit more expensive, but you're getting 35% off. So we want to know which one is actually the better deal. And so we are going to solve this to see which one actually is. So whenever we're solving this, we have our part. This is how much money we're taking off. So this is our discount equals our percent times the original amount, which we have been calling our whole in our last, 6.3 when we did the equation section. So our percent is 20%. Our whole is $120, and we don't know what the discount is. So that's what we're trying to figure out. So we are going to take our percent and we are going to divide by 100, which means we move our decimal to the left 2 places. So now I have my part, or my discount, will be 0.20 times 120. So I'm going to do 0.20 times 120, and I get 24. This means I'm going to take $24 off. So this is not on sale for $24. We're subtracting $24. So now we take $120, which is our original, minus $24 equals $96. So this one is selling for $96 instead of $120. Now let's look at the other option. So we have some discount, which is our part, equals our percent, so 35%, times 140. So we are going to move our decimal 2 places. So I have my part equals 35 hundredths times 140. So I have 0.35 times 140, and I get $49. But this is not my answer. It's not on sale for $49. I'm subtracting $49. So I take my original, which was 140, minus 49 equals 91. So this one's on sale for $91. So remember, this is the discount. We need to subtract it. All right. So which was the better deal? Well, $91 is cheaper, so this one is the better deal. Now I want you to do the other half of the page on your own, and then you're going to check your answers with mine in the next video.